Hi, my name is PMAC. I'm a personal trainer in London. Finest. On a day-to-day, if it's a perfect day, I wake up in the morning, I have my porridge with my supplements. Then after, I'll try to have a handful of almond nuts midway through the day. Then I have lunch, which is normally sweet potato and chicken and broccoli. Then after that, dinner, it depends on how busy I am. I usually go for takeout, but try and keep it healthy. So my 3 top tips is to always start your day with a supplement, because we live very hectic lives nowadays, and some of us have 3 hours sleep, 4 hours sleep, 5 hours sleep. So to take a supplement like Wellman, it just helps you with fatigue during the day. Tip number 2 is don't count calories, because everyone's body's different and everybody's body works differently. So if you count in calories that I'm eating and you think you can eat that, you'll be disappointed when you don't get the same results. So look at what's on your plate to understand what you're eating. And the 3rd tip is be very honest with yourself about what you eat. Don't tell yourself you're eating something when you physically know you haven't eaten it, or just on your plate, but you didn't eat it. And look at what's on your plate and ask yourself, is this healthy or is it not healthy? And don't be not wise to not knowing what's on your plate, because everyone knows what's on your plate. My advice for people who struggle with cravings should always have it prepared. So for example, a tablespoon of peanut butter or dark chocolate. And this should always be in your cupboard, due to the fact of when you're hungry, the body craves sugar. So if you go to the shop, your body ain't gonna crave the peanut butter or the dark chocolate. It's gonna go for the other stuff because it tastes better, it looks better. But if you have this stuff in your cupboard, all you have to do is go to your cupboard, satisfy your urge, and be done with it.